Okay, question number one, Sarah, join me. Question number one, please.
For number one,
Read the instructions, please. Let's go.
Work out which of the options best fits in place of the missing hexagon in the grid. For number one, I got D.
For number one, you got D. Can you please a little bit explain? That's correct answer. Can you do a little bit explanation and how you arrived at the answer?
Because in the hexagon, first there's one stripe, then there are two stripes, then there are three stripes, then there are four stripes, then there are 5 stripes, then there should be 6 stripes.
Then there should be 6 altogether. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the hexagon. Lovely explanation. Question number 2, go. Carry on.
Question number 2, I got C.
Correct. Why? Can you explain to us, please?
I got C because first of all, it should be a hexagon, so it can't be A.
What does my I mean? I mean in a hexagon, the pentagons on the inside, pentagons on outside, inside, outside, inside of the shape, outside, inside, outside. So we're looking for a pentagon round about here. So it's got to be outside. They're all actually on the outside. Next, what else is happening?
So it can't be B. Then there should be.
Oh yeah, it can't be because that's a hexagon. Excellent, good. Next.
Then there should be a triangle on the inside of the pentagon, so it can't be A.
What about the outside and the inside? The triangle's facing out, the triangle's facing in, this triangle's facing out, and this triangle will be facing in. Lovely. Okay, so we've got to have an in one. This one's a square inside, that's rubbish. So these two are rubbish. So out of C and D, which one is it? Tell me about these bits here.
It should be C because for D, there are like lines for the swirl part, but for C, there are dots.
So these ones here are all like dotted. All of them are dotted, that's the pattern. And if you look over here, we have a choice between dotted or like lines. So that one has to be wrong for that reason. Fantastic explanation. Number 3, please. Sarah, keep on going.
Number 3, I just guessed.
Okay, anybody who knows the answer? Fizza, explain please what's happening. Why was it B? So what's happening inside? So we have this one going this way, and then the next one will be. Oh, so we have 2 of them facing that way, and that one's facing this way. Oh, hang on a second. And that one's facing this way, so that one will be facing. So we need something facing that way. Yes, they're all facing that way. Okay, next. What else is happening? So if you look over here, this one's facing this part here, yes? That one's over there, that one's over there. So we're gonna have, it's going from, these 2 are together. These 2 are together. So it'll be these 2 together, right? So it'll be 1 here and 1 there. So we gotta have this piece here, have to be there. And which one is it? It's the one with the white circles inside. So that one is no good. That one is no good. That one is no good. So these ones are wrong straight away. So it has to be B, just based on this pattern being here and that one being there and the being that this shape together. Okay. Next. Question number 4. Back to you, Sarah. Number 4.
Question number 4. I got B.
What do you get for number 4?
B.
Okay, anybody else get something different for number 4? Let's have Ibrahim. A is correct. Ibrahim, can you explain to the class, please? Why was it A? So we're having the inside shape going this way, this way, this way, this way. So we have white, look, gray, black. White, gray, black. That's okay. That's the inside pattern. Okay. Now let me get rid of some of the highlighting because I've kind of a little bit covered everything up. Okay, what else is happening? Isn't that thing that's going around, isn't it all the same each time? Isn't this bit here, isn't this bit the same as this bit, same as this bit? Yeah, aren't these all the same? Yeah, it can't be C and D because these are different. No good. They're no good. Straight away cross C and D out. Okay, so this shape here is good, is the correct shape. So these ones are the wrong shape. Now, what about the lines that are shaded? So let's have a look. So we have solid, dotted, solid, dotted. What's happening on the outside? It has to be a number 4. It should be a solid, shouldn't it? Well, unless these are actually not solid.
So it's that the dotted ones. It's supposed to be like that.
For number 4. Okay, the inner line in each hexagon becomes the outer line. The next hexagon, the keyhole shape rotates 60 degrees. So let's have a look. So this one here, if you look here, that goes here. Oh yes, that's right. So this inside one goes to the outside. This inside one has to go to the outside. So we need this one over here. Okay, and then we have the different one inside. So it's not actually solid dotted, it's inside going to the outside for each one. So look over here. This inside goes here. This inside one goes here. And this one goes there. The inside goes to the next outside. Done. Lovely. Okay, next one. Question number 5. Let's give Mama a go. Thank you for that so far, Sarah. And Mama, please, next one.
A.
Question number 5, you've gone straight for A. Okay, next, let's have Iman. Iman saying C. Let's get the highlighter out. So we have this shape. It's going to touch this shape, which is going to touch. And what do we call that shape? The sock. Okay. Question number 5. Okay, give me a second. Sorry about that. It just okay, question number 6. Back to you, Mama. Number 6.
D.
Correct. Question number 6 is D. So this shape will need to meet this shape, which will then meet this shape. So we have our traditional sock shape. They will all meet around one corner. Question number 7, Huzaifa. Question number 7 is C. Let's have a look. So we have the triangle. It's going to touch this shape here, lovely. Which is going to touch which shape? So we have a sock up here.
So
Yes.
can you scroll up?
Small. Yeah. Question number 8. Let's have Hasib. We've got a lot to talk about. Number 8, Hasib, go. Yeah, that just shows you how much you've got to talk about. It's wrong. Okay. Let's have Ibrahim, number 8. B, no. Huzaifa?
Number 8 is C.
Correct. Number 8 is C. And that's going to be all of these ones joining in the corner. Makes a little sock. Done. Question number 9. Back to you, Sarah.
Question number 9, I got C.
Okay, question number 9 is not C because this shape here doesn't exist. It has to be shady gray.
Oh.
There's no gray shade, so C is wrong. Okay, let's have go on.
Is it A?
For number 9, the answer is not A. Anybody else?
B.
It's B. So this shape will meet this shape, will meet this shape. This is called the disconnected sock. So those two will touch, and that will fold around and land on top of them. And all three of them will be together.
So how would that be A?
Say that again.
How would that be A?
How would it not be A? Because if you look at this line here, this line is going towards the shape, and this line is going away from the shape. Okay? It's already open. I'm sure you got 2 socks waiting right now. Yes. Question number 10. Let's have back to you, Sarah. Number 10.
Number 10, I chose D.
D is fantastic. Let's have a look. We have that one over here, which touches that one when you fold them up, which touches that one. So we got this traditional sock shape, which is very, very easy. Question number 11. I think that's the last one. Let's give the answer to question to Talha. Talha, number 11. Sit there, back. You move. Question number 11 is C. Okay, anybody has a different answer to number 11?
B.
Okay, go. Let's have
D.
Aisha.
I chose D.
Okay, let's Huzaifa. The right one.
Is it B?
It's B. So this one is going to touch this one, which is going to touch this one. Yeah, these two will touch each other straight away. That one will fold and land on top of them. And that's the end of the test. Take it.
So I've sent you my marks.
Okay, right.